Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn symmetrical design. Okay, so let us follow how it is happen. What is the definition of symmetrical design? So how it would be symmetries in shape and patterns. Just have a look. Now take a piece of paper and fold it exactly half. Now open the piece of paper and just spill a 2 drop of ink on the center of the paper where the folded line is marked. Now again fold the paper into half. Now open the piece of paper again. What you will see? You will get the two exactly design, which is known as symmetrical design. By this method you can create a different design. Okay, let us see the definition of the symmetrical design. Symmetrical design occurs when you have two identical sides of a design with a central point of axis. If you cut the design in half, the left and the right are mirror. That is mean same images of each other. A symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like other shape when you move it in the same way. Let us see how it works. Take a sheet of paper and fold it in the center. Now draw any shape at the folded edge of the sheet. Okay, for example, heart shape or any fruit, mango, half shape. Now cut the shape exactly according to the design. Okay, now open the sheet. What you will see? A line in the center of the sheet, which is known as line of symmetry, and you will get the two design. You have drawn half design. Now you will see the full one design, exactly design, the same design at the right side of your paper, isn't it? This is known as symmetrical design. Look at the example of our English alphabet. You can mark the line in the center, so you will get symmetrical design. Okay, like A, B, C and so on. Observe the letter slowly. You will get horizontal and vertical. Okay, symmetrical design. Now line of symmetry. So what is that? One half of the shape, okay, half of the shape is exactly like the other half. Then the line which divide the figure into two exactly halves is called the line of symmetry. For example, look at these alphabets of our English language. These letters are non-symmetric because when we divide these letters into two halves, they are not identical and they does not have line of symmetry. Children, you can try the line of symmetry in the numbers also. Definitely you will get more information about line of symmetry. So try it. Okay, now try these activities, children, by yourself. You will get definitely a great fun by doing this. Now come to the part of shape. So if a shape can be folded or divided into half so that the two halves match exactly, okay, match exactly, then such a shape is called a symmetric shape. Now observe these examples. You will get some ideas and you can try it into another shape also. Look at the example 2 in your textbook, children. Here, line of symmetry has given more information in detail that will help you. Line of symmetry, folding line, mirror line, mirror line. Okay. Try to do this project. Complete these two symmetrical images. Here, 3 boxes are provided for each image. You have to draw the remaining half part of each image. You have to draw exactly half part, same whatever is present here now, the remaining part should be the same as it is present here now. Look at this activity 6. You can do by yourself. You can draw the line of symmetry for the following figures. You can draw horizontal line, vertical line, diagonal line. Exactly, it can divide the letter or object in symmetrical form. Now circle the non-symmetrical shape. What is here? Van and umbrella. Okay. Do the activity 7 by drawing the other half design from the line of symmetry to make it symmetrical design. In the same way, you can do the activity 8 also in your notebook without fail. Children, observe the following patterns which is created from straight lines. Now, follow the example, observe the pattern and extend the line pattern in the given boxes. So, first one is horizontal line, then diagonal line, then vertical line. Again, the same pattern is repeating. Okay, you have to be repeat after 3 lines, 3 types of lines, then you have to repeat the pattern again. In the second, all are diagonal line. Okay, by drawing the line left side and right side, you can form the square pattern, isn't it? In the same way, you have to draw. And the third pattern, you can do it. If it is not possible, you leave it. We will do it after the school reopen. Now you can continue the straight line patterns, okay, in your textbook or in your notebook. That's it. Our pattern lesson is over here. It's quite easy, isn't it? I hope you would have understood the pattern lesson clearly. Now take care. Thank you.